Hello, today I would like to introduce you a new sewing machine which is Jack A2B. Switch on machine. As you see, we have a small control panel, machine cut thread automatically, direct drive, has built-in light, and now I'll show you how machine works. Reverse here and press by heel, machine cut thread, and also we have button, you can sew it without pressing on the pedal. Top mounting bobbin winder, press by heel, machine cut thread, and ready for sewing again. Thank you. If you need more information, please give us a call or email us. Thank you.